Hey, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make money on eBay if you're a beginner. So check this out. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl Batman Stringer, and in this quick video I'm going to talk about how you can get started making money with eBay. I've done several videos on eBay in the past, and eBay, believe it or not, is still a very popular way to make money online. I got something in my eye. What is going on? Hair or something. Anyway, a lot of people are still making full-time income selling on eBay. I can tell you right now, eBay has changed over the years in how it's looked at, how it's ran, all that stuff. But there still can be money made, and there's still people out there, maybe you, that are still interested in eBay as a way to bring in some money. So what I recommend for somebody absolutely new, the first thing you need to do is look around your own house. And I talked about this years ago, and it still actually applies today, because a lot of times people, when they think about eBay, they're like, well, I don't have nothing to sell. I need distributors. I need to find wholesalers. I need to do this. I need to do that. And a lot of times you just need to start with your own surroundings. Start with, your garage, your basement. You'll be surprised how many things you can find that you could look up on eBay and you see that people are selling and actually buying. People are buying the stuff that you already have. So not only is it good to start where you at, start selling things that you already have, or maybe your friend has, or your parents or your siblings have. They might, what's junk to them might be worth something to somebody else. So I would take some time to look around, like your house and stuff, and old toys, old clothes, old electronic stuff that you don't use, like packs of unopened DVDs. People are selling those. Packs of old CDs. You name it. Old records. Like I said, old toys. You name it. Tape cassette players. All of that stuff that a lot of people already have, that you can probably get 10, 20 bucks just to get a start. It's good to do that because it will basically teach you. It'll actually allow you to make money while you're kind of learning, because starting with stuff you already have, it will allow you to create posts and teach you how to post right, how to write your descriptions, how to go through the process of selling and stuff like that. It's a good practice when you start small and start with the stuff you already have, right? After you do that and you start making a little bit of money, then you can move on. And this is something that Gary Vee talks about. If you don't know Gary Vee, look him up. But garage selling. A lot of people are killing it with garage sales and eBay. What you need to do is just figure out where's the closest, or you don't got to be close, wherever. Go to garage sales, many as you can, right? You want to do a little bit of pre-studying before you go out, kind of find out what's hot on eBay, or get an idea of what toys are going for on eBay. You can actually just go to different garage sales, look through their stuff. And the cool thing is you can actually have your phone on you. So say, for example, you see something like an old, I don't know, an old G.I. Joe toy that somebody's selling for $5, right? You can literally just, hey, casually bring up your phone, go to eBay, search for G.I. Joe, blah, blah, blah. You might find that same G.I. Joe is selling for 50 bucks, right? So you could just, hey, not only do you can get that G.I. Joe for the $5 they're asking for, you actually could even offer them less than that, offer them $3 for it. Because a lot of times people that have garage sales, either they don't know about, well, they know about it, but they don't want to go through the hassle of listing stuff on eBay. They don't want to go through that. They know eBay exists, but they just don't want to. They're not tech savvy. They don't want to do none of that, right? So they have it at the garage sale, or they just don't care. It's just junk to them. They don't want it. They want to get rid of it as fast as possible. So this is where you can benefit by doing that. And there are people out there who literally just go to garage sales on the weekends, and throughout the week they're listing stuff on eBay, they're selling stuff, and then they just do it all over again the following weekend. So This is another great way to start, making money with eBay. And because yes, you can, once you get going, yeah, you can expand it and you can go big and you can get, distributors for this and that. But just starting out, I would do that, guys. And just remember, whenever you write descriptions, you want to write very good descriptions and enticing descriptions, right? That those would get people interested in what you have. You want to be as detailed as possible as well. Don't just put slightly used DVD player. You don't want to do that. You want to actually put down there DVD player, great condition, and then the description put, hey, it does have a couple scratches on it, but it doesn't affect the play. You want to be descriptive and honest, right? Because with eBay, your reputation matters, right? When people look at those reviews and your score, you want to have a high score. The higher the score, the more you're going to sell, the more money you're going to make. All right, so be descriptive with those with the things you're trying to sell. Be descriptive and be honest, and you should start making money. You should start seeing, more and more income, more and more sales if you do that. All right, so look around your house, look around, look under the bed, look in the basement, look in the garage, find stuff to post, practice listing stuff, and you should be good to go. All right, so this hopefully helped you out and to get you started on eBay. I have other videos on there talking about eBay. You could search my channel and take a look for yourself. But if you haven't done it, be sure to subscribe to this channel. You see I'm always on here dropping that knowledge. So till the next time, peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.